This is about 5 minutes from the rail mall, just right behind. So let's see what we have here. We are the only people around here. Right in the middle of Friday, 1:25 p.m. The weather is kind to us, a bit overcast. This is the way to the sand quarry, right behind rail corridor. The rain has cleared. Just now it was raining pretty heavily actually. This piece of tree actually is the trunk. Is it the internal hollow due to rotting or insects, pests that make it to be such? So this is how it looks like. As we approach the sand quarry, you can hear rushing water. So it comes from this source. We have arrived. Nature at its best. You hear the bubbling brook, buzz of the insects. Wow, look at this. I love pandan leaves and they are plentiful here. I think the rest are what? Lemongrass. And I always love water features. See, there is probably a abandoned sand quarry. What probably it is, an abandoned sand quarry. This is nice. Peaceful lake. Yeah? What a view! Beautiful, beautiful. I will come back again for sure. This is the left side where the intersection. Right is the way to Singapore Quarry. So we're going to check out the left side, supposed to lead us to a car park. Never knew you can get such beautiful wildflowers like this. I mean, look, this is not Gardens by the Bay. Look at all this. Wow. It's not orchid. It's totally something different. Again, this is something that you only get to see in Gardens by the Bay, but it's wildly grown. Not wildly, I guess somebody planted this. In this little park for children is called the Fuyong, F-U-Y-O-N-G, Fuyong Interim Park. So you get to see beautiful flowers. Wow, awesome. I remember growing up in Malaysia, in Bentong, behind our house, we would play beneath this huge tree. It's even bigger than this.